Welcome back to the channel. Right, so today I want us to delve down into certain indicators that we need as beginner traders that will help us in our journey. Right, sometimes when you start trading and then you don't have the requisite knowledge in reading charts and then going through a lot of technical analysis, it can be quite frustrating and it makes trading really cumbersome. So today I want to take you through simple indicators on TradingView that can help you in your trading journey. And one of the trading indicators that I want us to look at is the super trend indicator. Super trend indicator, I've already shown you in my previous video as to how you can go into TradingView and then search for your indicators, and this is where you go and then you look for your indicators. All right, so you go to TradingView and then you click on super trend and then you have it right there. Okay, you apply on your chart and you should have it registered on your chart. This strategy will show you the trend of an asset. Right, it gives you an overall idea of whether we are in an uptrend or we are currently in a downtrend, and then it can help you make your decisions as to whether you want to enter for a buy or you want to enter for a sell. And then the second one I want us to look at is also the RSI. Okay, the RSI, I think we have discussed that one thoroughly, and then it is an indicator that really I have used over my 2 years of trading, which has proven to be very helpful as a beginner trader. RSI, as I have always said, it just will indicate to you if it is below 30, then it is signaling to us that an asset is oversold and then could be looking at a potential reversal upwards. And if it is at 70 or above, then that suggests to us that an asset is probably overbought, and then we may be seeing a reversal soon. So in that case, you could enter. If it is around 7, you could enter for a sell. Around 70, you could enter for a sell. Or if it is below 30, you could enter for a buy. Right. And then the other one that we want to look at also is the MACD. All right. So MACD is here. You go and then you look for it. That is the moving average convergence divergence. You apply it on your chart. I think here, because I'm using the new I'm using the free version, it will not allow us to add to it, so I need to delete this one. Then we can add MACD. All right, so MACD is here. You just go on your TradingView chart and then you look at it, you add MACD, and then it should be registered right there. Okay, right, let me see. Okay, so this is also not giving us an opportunity to add. Okay, so I've taken all of them out. Let's go and then pick our MACD. So here is MACD. Right, moving average, convergence, divergence. This is how MACD looks. And we have the moving average and then the MACD crossover. This one helps us to know when price is likely to reverse. So if you are looking at this chart right now, you see the moving average and you also see the crossover, the blue line. So whenever the blue line crosses over the red line, it signals, a price reversal, either upwards or downwards. All right. And then the other one I want us to look at is also the moving averages. Right, the moving averages, and we can equally get that one by going to the trading view window and just type in moving average. Okay, so if you type in your moving average, what will come up is either the simple or exponential. And as you can see, then this is moving average simple. You apply on your charts, and again, I think that they don't want to allow us because we are using the free version. And so let me go in and then delete MACD so that we can have the moving average applied. Right, so the trading views free version is quite useful, and I have always used the free version. I've never subscribed to the paid version. Right, so let's go and then apply it and see what happens here on our chart. Right, so moving average, this is how we go to look at it. Moving average, and then we have it here. You see simple. If you apply it, it will be there. This is the simple moving average that shows us an average price over a period of time. So here we are looking at the 1 hour charts. Okay, you could switch to a 30-minute chart. You could switch to 15 minutes charts. All right, it will display on your chart and show you an average price movement over a period of time. The exponential is equally the same. Okay, but that one shows you recent price action, and price movements over time. Right, so these are some of the indicators that we would need as new beginners to be able to analyze our chart simply. Something like MACD and then the super trend, or you're looking at RSI and the super trend. You should be able to analyze those ones very well and then make profitable trades. Right, so I would want to encourage you to go back and then practice some of these indicators on your paper trading, so that you make sure that you are very conversant and very familiar with using them and looking at when they apply profitably. Then you can move to trading live, applying them on your charts. Okay, so once again, we have come to the end of our video, and I want to encourage those who are new here. If you find any useful information in this content, kindly give it a like and then subscribe to the channel, because here we'll be looking at tools and strategies that we can use to be able to spot profitable trades and winning trades that we can enter and exit and run home with our profits. For those who are, the stock market wizards who have been with this channel from day one, I do not take you for granted. I appreciate you all, and I ask that you continue to like and then to comment. Leave any questions that you have, and I'll be glad to answer them. Until we meet on the next video, I wish you the best. Bye.